All right, welcome back, everybody. This is Bitcoin Brandon Ivey from Los Angeles, California. I've got another update here because people have been asking me about nodes, tokens. Why should I buy a node versus purchasing tokens? Now, before I even get into this, as a disclaimer, I am not a licensed financial advisor to be giving any type of financial advice. I share information for educational, training, and entertainment purposes only, and there is absolutely no guarantee of any earned income or guaranteed percentages or speculation. There's no guarantee on anything. I'm just recording for educational purposes here to show the difference between whether you want to buy the golden egg or the golden goose that produces golden eggs every single day. So I want to use Win as an example because I'm on this Win tip. I did not even realize I had been mining tokens for a year until the other day. I just realized that Win hit coin market cap. So you can see it right here on coin market cap. It's at 0.004482 cents. So if I decided to purchase these tokens, let's say I took $500. So if I took $500 and bought $500 worth of Win tokens at this price right now, that would give me 111,557 tokens. Well, I had a Win node for $500, the same price, and in 1 year I mined 393,100 tokens. So again, I can use that money just to buy the tokens outright, or I could purchase the node that can get me that token. So right now I've got my last reward was 656 tokens from just one Win node. There's no guarantee it's going to do that on a consistent basis. I'm looking at the last few days, 657, 656, 656. So let's just say if this averaged 656 tokens a day times 31, that gives me 20,336 tokens a month times 12. That comes out to 244,000 tokens in 1 year. Divide that by the multiply that by the cost of the coin right now is at 0.0044. At that, if it stays at this price, that's $1,073. So on that, that means after 6 months, I broke even. And then the next 6 months, I made a profit. So you see the difference? Difference between buying the node or buying the token. So you can send me a private message if you want to know how to get your hands on a Win node. They're $500 right now. And I'll put my link in the video so that you can actually just click on the link and you'll be able to come here, sign up, click on buy nodes. There's the Win node for $500. Once you make the purchase, you need to purchase it with USDT or USD. Click on node setup. Click on node engine to set up your node. If you don't already have an account, create an account. Once you create the account and you log in, then you're going to create a new instance or start running your node. So let's say if I was going to do that, I would click on add instance on community, drop down, just click on Win, how many nodes that you purchase, smart nodes for 500. This charge is $4.95 for them to run this node for you, and then click on proceed to checkout. And just follow the instructions. It's simple from there. That is it for today. Brandon Ivey out. Take care. Bye-bye.